In this video, we're going to show you how to convert a WooCommerce CSV file into a Shopify CSV format. When migrating from WooCommerce to Shopify, one of the biggest challenges is that both platforms use different CSV structures. A CSV file exported from WooCommerce cannot usually be imported directly into Shopify because the column names, data fields, and product formatting are different. If you try to import the file without converting it, you may receive import errors, missing product information, or incorrectly formatted products. The good news is that you can easily convert your WooCommerce product CSV into a Shopify-compatible CSV without losing important information. So, let's get started. The first method is to export your products from WooCommerce. Log in to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Products, then click Export. Download the product CSV file to your computer. Next, download Shopify's sample product CSV template. In your Shopify admin dashboard, go to Products, click Import, and download the sample CSV file. This template shows the exact column names and format that Shopify expects. Now open both CSV files in a spreadsheet application, such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Compare the columns in your WooCommerce export with those in the Shopify template. Copy the information from the WooCommerce file into the matching Shopify columns. For example, map product titles, descriptions, vendors, product types, prices, SKUs, inventory quantities, image URLs, and variant information to their corresponding Shopify fields. If WooCommerce includes columns that Shopify doesn't support, you can leave them out. Likewise, if Shopify requires fields that are missing, fill them in before importing. Next, check your product images. Make sure every image uses a valid public URL, since Shopify imports images from web links rather than local files. After completing the mapping, save the file as a CSV. Ensure the column headers remain exactly as they appear in the Shopify template. Now return to Shopify. Go to Products, click Import, upload your converted CSV file, and review the import preview. After the import finishes, inspect several products to verify that titles, variants, prices, inventory, and images were imported correctly. If you notice any issues, update the CSV file and repeat the import. In most situations, these steps are all you need to convert a WooCommerce CSV file into a Shopify CSV format. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, export your products from WooCommerce and download Shopify's sample CSV template. Second, map your WooCommerce data to Shopify's required columns. And third, save the converted CSV, import it into Shopify, and verify your products. Remember that careful field mapping is the key to a successful migration. Taking time to prepare your CSV correctly will help you avoid import errors and ensure your products appear exactly as expected in Shopify. And that's how to convert a WooCommerce CSV file into a Shopify CSV format. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify topic you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.